Today at Tempe Camera, we are unboxing the Fujifilm GFX100s. This GFX100s and GF 45 to 100 millimeter lens is available in our rental department. First thing we find is the included paperwork. Here we find the registry and warranty information. This camera doesn't come with a physical manual, but it does have a card with a digital download, so you can download it to your phone or your computer. If we look into the box, we see two sections, one for the camera and another for all the accessories. Let's dig in a little further. Provided is a Fujifilm neck strap, a USB to USB-C charging cable, cable anchor, USB charger, battery, and several different charging adapters for travel. Let's take a look at the Fujifilm GFX100s body itself. This camera has a whopping 102 megapixel medium format sensor. The raw image from this camera is huge and allows you to crop in significantly. It has a large OLED electronic viewfinder, a sizable 3.2-inch colored LCD touchscreen, and a top window for viewing settings. This body is larger than other Fuji cameras. It uses the larger GF mount, so X mounts will not mount to this body. On this side, under the GFX logo, we have a microphone port and a headphone port. The USB-C port can be used to power the camera as well as transfer the media to a computer. We also have a micro HDMI and a traditional PC port. On the other side of the body, we have the media door where we have not one, but two SD card slots as well as the remote port. Overall, we're very happy with this new Fujifilm camera and we're excited to play with it around the shop. This was the unboxing of the new Fujifilm GFX100s. Contact us if you would like to rent it for yourself. Our kit comes with two batteries and charger, as well as a Canon EF to GF mount adapter. This adapter lets you use Canon EF lenses on the Fuji GF mount. Also available in rentals is the Fuji GF 45 to 100 millimeter lens. This pair is a super powerful combo. Come in and try it today at Tempe Camera.